look at some other bottles. $5.
Okay, I'll take that.
They usually on eBay, they go for $25.
Yeah, you don't have the knife to that, do you? You don't have the knife to this box, huh? Okay. Yeah, that was the one I was wanting. Yeah, that razor's nice now.
That's a love case.
It is. What's this over here?
It's some sort of kuka or something, it's some Japanese. The ones that sold on eBay all went for over $100.
Oh my God. Norway. Oh, okay, that's original heel, Norway. That's nice. What's in that box right there? What's in that other box right there?
What box?
Right, that was beside it right there.
One you pulled the knife off? You put the knife on top of it?
Uh-huh. Yeah, no.
It's heavy, whatever it is. Oh, I bet it's one of the sharper about it.
Oh, wow.
I mean, soft, that's what it is. That's it, couldn't figure out how to sleep.
It's Arkansas sharpness stone. What you want for this?
50.
50? Okay.
I could make it 40. This belongs to somebody else. I get 20% for 70.
Okay, well, I'm thinking on that one. Put it back. Right. There is a knife up here though. Open this one up. I'll look at that one again. That shred right back there. What kind is that one? You look at that one there. Okay, that's right. What's this right here?
Clear it.
There's a brownie thing down there, boy. I can tell what's for that brownie. Let's see. What you want me to shoot? Does that go in there?
That don't go in there, I don't think.
I don't think it does either. Well, it might. Maybe it does, no.
It must have been there.
Okay, yeah, I don't want that. I don't want to take that from you. I don't know. Empiric. You got 15 on that. Yeah, box.
Oh,
You want for that?
15.
We'll put that, it's 20 right there, right? Okay.
What did you say you wanted for this, sir? 20?
Yeah, I get that.
I like that for some reason, though.
That's beautiful. It's handmade too. Yeah. Quick, whoa. Now those are made in China. Those are very good knives.
If you're wondering what I'm doing, folks, I'm just putting some final cleaning on these few knives. I sold a few on Whatnot today. Had a first little auction on there today. Went pretty well. I think I sold 7 knives. So I'm just putting a final cleaning and oiling on them a little bit to make sure they're good when they get to the folks that bought them.
What you want for it's got a spring. Hey, sir.
We're gonna put a little bit of
What you want?
mineral oil on this thing.
Spring. I'll do it for 5. So that's 25. Alright.
Man, keep that.
Yeah.
Now, where was that bandage you said you was telling me about?
Well, oh, right back here. Right in there, see it? Yeah, right there. They wanted 30 for it. It's not a it was a bayonet, but Imperial made some mini, they made it into a knife. It's got a nail pull on the bottom, it's got screwdrivers on each side of the guard.
We've already cleaned all these knives one time. Oh, but got fingerprints on them and
You can open this paint
all that good stuff, so I just wanted to make sure they were looking good before they left me.
I put that knife there. Yeah.
Cause these folks that bought them, I want to make sure that they
You know?
tune in on the next auction, buy some more. Best way to ensure that is to make sure they get some good knives.
John Deere.
That one's all cleaned up, ready. We're gonna put a little bit of shine on this one. This one don't need much. It's a little old toothpick style knife. Oh, good looking little knife. Wood handle, brass bolsters, little single blade. I'm just going to use a little bit of this Never Dull on it. Wipe it down good. I think that's all it needs.
What's the best you can do on that one? That's 20% off? $100. It sure is not. I can't tell if that's bone or not. It looks like it's gel.
That's a pretty little knife right there, folks. Pretty little knife. Then we got this big old Parker of mine.
125.
Oh, it don't need much, just some wiping down. It's very clean. I've cleaned it, like I said, one time already. Oh, we're just gonna put some finishing touches on it, make it look good.
Did you have a good day off yesterday? Yeah, I guess so.
I got the knife doctor playing on YouTube. I'm a couple days behind on watching his videos. I try to watch them every day, but I've been so busy I hadn't had time. So sitting down here tonight, getting a little work done. Thought I'd tune in, see what he's been up to. Looks like he's found him a little honey hole out there in Georgia. Buy some more knives. I'm gonna tell you one thing, that Never Dull does a good job. Make a knife just shine, boy. Just shine, shine, shine.
Yeah. Not real big on frost. Falling,
All right, looky there. Baby's clean, pretty, shining. This thing was so dingy and dirty when I got it in. This is one that I bought and restored. Good looking down. Alright folks, well that's just a little short video of me cleaning a few knives. Just remind y'all, if y'all are liking my videos, to subscribe to our channel and keep tuning in, watching. If you got any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave them for me. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you liked what you saw. Till I see y'all again, y'all stay blessed.